So this here is a wild Aaron. Wow, so happy. He got invited by a friend to do magnet fishing. Let's see how they get on.
Oh, hello there. Dr. Samuel, nice to meet you, nice to meet you.
Fuck off.
What? What? Hello, Dr. Samuel.
Hello.
Nice to meet you. So what are we doing today?
Be magnet fishing.
Magnet fishing, what does that involve?
Oh, it's when you throw a magnet into a fish.
Into a fish.
And or any body of water. And you try to fish up any iron, usually objects, magnetic objects that are in the water.
That sounds riveting. I cannot wait.
You do find your fair share of rivets.
Oh! What a knee slapper! Yeah, that actually looks really cool. You're gently reeling it in. The excitement is enthralling.
Hardly ever find, I don't know. Look at this cloud of silk. Very impressive. Ah, yes.
Oh!
Wonderful. That's not magnetic. Now that's a prime magnet fishing.
Yes! Hello, Sam.
Hello, Aaron.
I really enjoy magnet fishing. What about you?
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
Really? Only 10?
Yeah, that's as high as 10 goes.
Sounds good. Hello again, Dr. Samuel.
Hello, Mr. Aaron.
So we're gonna swing the magnet which is on the end of here, and it's gonna go all the way into the lake. And is gold magnetic?
No, sadly not.
So silver?
Iron.
Iron.
It's only iron.
How much is iron? Is that valuable?
It's pretty valuable actually. Scrap iron is a business.
Okay, nice. We are gonna...
The stuff you can find is Nazi relics or unexploded bombs.
Nazi relics, you say?
Yeah.
Good God, I hope I find some of that.
Okay, I'm going for it.
That was huge!
Nice throw, Sam.
Nice throw, Sam. Nice throw. Don't touch me.
Touch them all.
Nice haircut, Sam.
Thank you. I enjoy having a haircut. It's practical.
Haircuts are practical.
Well, it's easy to wear.
Just like a hat. I wear a hat sometimes.
Not right now though.
Not right now.
Classic Aaron. Sometimes wearing a hat.
Classic me. I hope that we find some iron nails. I like the way it sounds.
What's this?
Wow! What do you mean we haven't found anything?
Well,
So you're telling me that in this empty lake, there is nothing?
yes, it's empty.
What are we doing here?
There's algae.
We must go to another location. And here we are in spot number 2. Arguably not very safe spot. It's fine, says the expert Dr. Samuel in magnet fishing.
Small fragments of metal. Incredible. It's crazy how nature does this.
All the prosperous findings of nature. What an exhausting time. We've been at this for hours.
Yeah.
Any luck yet?
Not much.
Why don't you try over there a little bit?
Yeah. Owing to the fact that this is a railway bridge.
A railway bridge, you say?
Yes. A bridge for trains, don't you know? You can sometimes find pieces of metal under it that have fallen off the tracks above. And now I just wish I could see one of them fall off, because that would be cool.
It might hit you in the head. Surely you should be wearing a helmet. Oh my god, you've caught something! What a surprise!
It's like a fishing boat.
Wow, what is it? It looks so shiny.
Does it? It's I would say, based on my amateur knowledge of trains, it is one of the buckles that holds the rails, and yeah, it holds the rails to the ground.
That sounds very convincing.
Yeah.
Yo, what have you found?
I found a non-magnetic bone.
A bone? What kind of creature could this belong to?
Well, it would help if I knew what kind of bone it was.
We can guess.
Yeah. I mean, it's got a hole through the middle, which suggests to me that it's either spinal or like pelvis part. But apart from that, I'm not sure what animal would have this much bone sticking up above the spine or below the spine.
It could be a wolf.
True.
No, we don't have wolves here.
Not anymore.
Oh my god, what is that? I can feel myself vibrating. Whoa, a log. Is this magnetic?
Let's give it a test. No.
Gone, so close.
Look here. A shovel.
What? How did I miss that?
It is magnetic. It's the end of a shovel.
Wow.
Someone was shoveling. Yo, what's up? Hey everyone, welcome to another episode. The first another episode of magnet fishing.
Magnet fishing, let's go! What did we find? What did we find?
We found some surprising finds actually. We found a railroad buckle of some kind.
Wow, incredible.
We found 2 bones.
So something definitely died.
Yeah.
And what is the last find?
We found a shovel.
A shovel! Whoa, nice.
Only the end of it.
The bridge is gonna fall! Forget to subscribe. This was Magnet Fishing with me, Aaron, and my guest, Dr. Sam. Thanks for watching. Bye. Good God, man, what are you doing down there?